Oh gosh, would you just chill out already, you pushy bastard? Let me get him out of the net. Okay, here you go. Take it. You're right. This would be a better angle up here. You're right. Oh, it's the reggae. Let me show this other guy. Oh yeah, yeah, this guy. Oh, look at him. Look at me. Oh, I love this. Have I got to look for him? Look, look. Yes. Maybe a twist. Twist. Twist to the reggae. And a look. Look. Yes. Oh, gosh, this is great. Cocodera. Oh, I love. Yeah, what? Yeah, okay. Up here's good. Oh, yes. Look at the glare on this fish. He's gorgeous. Oh, he's starting to act up. Oh, let's measure him. Yeah, one more time. Oh, one more. Oh, yeah, let him go. Let's let him go now. Oh, I love this reggae in the morning and catching fish. Oh, gosh, I couldn't be any better, I tell you. Wait a second. Oh, get out of here. You just go swim off. Go be a big fish. See ya.